Now let's go ahead and kind of develop a little bit of a process around what we've been doing because I really like what's happening here, but I know I'm going to lose track of what's happening or what to do. So we have basic process that we'll go through when we solve systems to addition, similar to what we've done before. First thing though is we want to rewrite equations into the form ax plus by equals c. If we can start in standard form, that will help. The second step, that's where the magic occurs. We'll do some basic algebra or magic. And then from there, the steps are similar. We'll add, solve, back substitute or backfill, and then check. So let's work these things through as we look at this system that we want to solve. So the first thing we want to do is write it in standard form. Well, they're already written in the ax plus by equals c form. Check. The next thing is I want to do some magic. What can I do to either the top equation or the bottom equation, or sometimes both, so that I can see a term being eliminated? Well, I see two things right away. One is if I multiply the top by a -3, I can visualize the x's canceling out. If I multiply by the top by 4, I can see the y's being eliminated. So we have a couple of choices. And we can do pretty much anything we want as long as we do it correctly along the way. So let's go ahead and multiply the top equation by a -3. Let's expand our abilities a little bit. So I'm just put a little bit of a -3 out there as a reminder for me. And then I'm going to write my next iteration of this system. The bottom line stays the same. The top one, I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by -3. So I have a -9x. -3 times a 2y gives me a -6y. And 48 times -3, -144. So I did my magic. Now I'm on step 3, which is to add. I'm going to add that system. The x's are eliminated. I have -14y equals -168. And then divide both sides by a -14. I get y equals 12. So step 4 completed. I was able to solve. Step 5, I'm going to back substitute or backfill. I'm going to take the solution of 12 and stick it into either one of those equations. And again, if I want to do it in these first ones, I can do that as well because this system is the exact same system as that one. There's no difference in doing that. I'm just going to look for the easiest place to do it. And for me, right here looks like the easiest one for me to solve or backfill. So 3x plus 2y equals 48. Put in 12 for y. Solve that down. 3x plus 24 equals 48. 3x equals 24. X equals 8. And now I have a solution set. Solution set. Inside the solution set is my solution, which in this case is the coordinate pair. Coordinate pairs are written like that, and the coordinate pair is 8, 12. And that is my solution for this particular system of equations.